Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Meddi. I am pursuing final year of Aeronautical Engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this presentation, I am going to talk about aircraft vertical takeoff and landing. Let's get started. In this slide we will see about introduction part of vertical takeoff and landing. Let's get started. Vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as VTOL UAVs, represents a remarkable advancement in aviation technology. These agile and versatile aircraft have revolutionized the way we approach aerial missions, offering unique capabilities that have expanded their utility across a multitude of industries. In this introduction, we will delve into the concept of VTOL UAVs, highlighting their fundamental features, innovative engineering that makes them possible, and the profound impact they have had on various applications. From military reconnaissance and surveillance to civilian users in agriculture and search and rescue, VTOL UAVs have demonstrated their ability to perform long-duration missions while maintaining the advantage of ease transportability. Importance of long-endurance missions and ease of transport in UAV technology. Unmanned aerial vehicles have evolved significantly over the years, and two critical factors that have contributed to their widespread adoption and success are long endurance missions and ease of transport. These aspects play a vital role in enhancing the utility and effectiveness of UAV technology. Long endurance missions, expanded mission scopes, persistent surveillance, data collection and mapping, reduced operational cost, emergency response, ease of transport, rapid development. UAVs that are easy to transport can be quickly deployed to remote or disaster stricken areas where access may be limited. This capability is crucial for timely response in emergency situations. Reduced logistic complexity. Transportable UAVs do not require elaborate infrastructure like runways or launch equipment. This simplifies logistics, allowing them to operate from a variety of locations, including ships, vehicles, or even backpacks. Cost effectiveness, global reach, civilian applications. These the main advantages of vertical landing of UAVs are we don't require a long runway and we don't require a large space. Within the small space, the UAV can easily vertically land and it will go to the desired place. Growing relevance to UAVs in various industries. The growing relevance of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, is evident across a wide range of industries due to their versatile. This is a brief information of their increasingly importance. Agriculture. Wait a minute. Environmental monitoring, construction and infrastructure, mining and exploration, emergency services, film and entertainment, defense and security, education and training. These are the applications we already discussed. Crop health monitoring, soil health assessment, improved resources utilization and spraying of fertilizers to the crops, forest and wildlife, urban development, healthcare, traffic management, homeland security, disaster management, mining. Technological advancements in UAVs. Technological advancements in unmanned aerial vehicles have played a vital role in expanding their capabilities and utility across various applications. Three key advancements that significantly enhanced UAV performance are efficient propulsion system, payload flexibility, and transition capabilities from vertical takeoff and landing to fixed wing flight. Efficient propulsion system, payload flexibility, transition capabilities. Yeah, efficient propulsion system in the sense, yeah, we will use the electric propulsion for the UAVs to for the long duration of flight. Yeah, it can easily starts and it can easily stops when the operation is completed. Benefits: can take off and land vertically as helicopter would without any support equipment such as catapult, launch or capture nets. High aspect ratio wings result in 24-hour endurance which is unmatched in the industry. Longer flights can than a helicopter and can land in either horizontal or vertical sorry applications. Military applications such as intelligence, surveillance, reconciliation. Commercial applications where extended mission UAV capabilities are beneficial, including law enforcement, firefighting, crop surveys, pipeline surveys, or oil field management. Conclusion: vertical takeoff and landing capabilities in aircraft, particularly in the realm of UAV technology, play a crucial role in enabling long endurance missions and facilitating ease of transport. These capabilities enhance the versatility and effectiveness of unmanned aerial vehicles, allowing them to operate in diverse environments and fulfill a wide range of mission objectives with greater efficiency and flexibility. As UAV technology continues to advance, the significance of vertical takeoff and landing becomes increasingly evident in meeting the demands of modern military, commercial, and humanitarian applications. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for watching.